If you're watching this video, you may or may not have heard of the Daylight Vault query tool before. DVQT is an interactive user interface that enables users to quickly extract and analyze data from Veeva Vault instances. Hi, I'm Mike Mulhearn, the Solutions Lead at Daylight and creator of the DVQT. DVQT was first conceptualized as a way for our migration and integration teams to better analyze Veeva Vault environments. It has been instrumental in our success to deliver on the standard of excellence our clients have come to expect from us. DVQT comes prepackaged with sample queries that we have found helpful and to help you get started building queries of your own. It also includes the ability to automatically extract all attributes for a given object, a feature that is not available with VQL alone. DVQT also scales to handle large queries very efficiently. It is capable of returning over 1 million results per minute on an ordinary laptop. After retrieving the data from Veeva Vault, the query results can be transformed locally using SQL commands, and the resulting data can easily be exported to several different formats, including Excel, CSV, JSON, and SQLite. DVQT is available to users all over the world and can be requested from the Daylight Solutions website for free. With all that being said, let's go ahead and get started with a demo. When opening DVQT, you'll be prompted for your username. If your account is set up with single sign-on, you will be redirected to the single sign-on page in your browser. If your account is set up with a password, you will be redirected to a window to enter your password and the Vault environment URL. If your account is provisioned for only one environment, you'll be automatically logged into that environment. If your account is provisioned for multiple environments, you'll be presented with a drop-down list of the environments that your account is provisioned for. After logging in successfully, you'll be presented with the query window. Here you will be able to access all of the functionality of DVQT. DVQT comes prepackaged with sample queries that Daylight has found very helpful. You can access these by clicking on the Global Useful Queries button. You can also store your own queries you find useful by clicking on the Personal Useful Queries button. Let's get started by running a query. One query we have found to be particularly helpful is the Documents query. As you can see, the query results are returned in this table. You may have noticed that we ran a select star query, which is a DVQT only feature that returns all attributes for a given object. You may have also noticed that the query returned more than 1,000 results, something that is much more difficult to handle in a program such as Postman due to API limitations. Within this table, we have several options to quickly copy the data to the clipboard. We also have the ability to dump all metadata for a document, view the audit trail, and view the document in Vault. We can also use a SQL query below to further filter the results. We can aggregate the results to show the count of documents per study using SQL. Another query that we have found particularly useful is duplicate document detection. We can also use SQL to perform operations to identify duplicates by MD5 checksum by running the following query. As you can see here, we have the set of duplicate documents by MD5 checksum. After receiving the result set that you want to export, you can export by clicking the button in the top right corner and selecting Export to Excel, CSV, SQLite, or JSON. DVQT can also show you the full list of VQL queryable objects by clicking the Queryable Objects button. You can also view all of the attributes available for a particular object by clicking Retrieve Object Metadata. The final function I want to show you is the ability to export all pick list values. As you can see, this will return the name and label of each pick list and their corresponding pick list values. These are just some of the many useful features that DVQT provides. If you haven't already, be sure to head over to the Daylight Solutions website to request your copy of DVQT today.